GreenGrowth Investments app. The pros, the cons. GreenGrowth is an investment platform focused on sustainable and risk-friendly assets, but is it the right fit for your portfolio? Starting with the pros. First, socially responsible investing. The app focuses on companies committed to environmental, social, and governance standards. Second, curated portfolios. Users can access diversified portfolios built around sustainability goals. Third, transparency. The app provides clear reporting on environmental impact and financial performance. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited asset selection. Some traditional sectors may not be included, reducing diversification options. Another drawback is fees. ISK-focused portfolios may have higher management fees compared to broad market alternatives. The surprising truth: many investors assume ISK investing sacrifices returns, but data shows that sustainable portfolios can perform comparably to traditional options over time. In conclusion, the pros: responsible investing, curated portfolios, and transparency make GreenGrowth ideal for socially conscious investors. The cons: limited assets and fees suggest it's best suited for those prioritizing impact alongside returns.